Andromeda, also known as the Andromeda Galaxy, is a prominent and majestic spiral galaxy located approximately 2.537 million light-years from Earth. It is the closest spiral galaxy to our own Milky Way, and is the largest member of the local group of galaxies, which also includes the Milky Way, the Triangulum Galaxy, and several smaller galaxies. Andromeda is a massive galaxy, larger than the Milky Way, with a diameter of about 220,000 light-years. It has a well-defined spiral structure, consisting of a central bulge, a prominent disk, and spiral arms that wrap around its nucleus. Distance and proximity. As mentioned earlier, Andromeda is the nearest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way and is on a collision course with our galaxy. The collision, which is expected to occur in about 4 billion years, will eventually lead to the formation of a new galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda. Andromeda is easily visible to the naked eye from Earth on clear, dark nights. It appears as a faint, elongated smudge in the constellation Andromeda. The galaxy has been observed and studied for centuries, with the earliest known reference to it dating back to the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi in the 10th century. Galactic components, Andromeda, like many other galaxies, contains a variety of celestial objects, including stars, nebulae, and star clusters. Notable features within Andromeda include the star cluster Messier 31, M31, the Triangulum Galaxy, M33, and numerous other star-forming regions and globular clusters. Studying Andromeda provides astronomers with valuable insights into the evolution and dynamics of spiral galaxies. The galaxy has been the subject of extensive observations across various wavelengths, from radio to X-rays, allowing scientists to explore its composition, structure, and the presence of dark matter. The impending collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way is of great interest to astronomers and astrophysicists. Despite the vast distances between stars, the gravitational interaction will have profound effects on the structure of both galaxies. Andromeda remains a captivating celestial object, inspiring astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Its study contributes to our understanding of the cosmos and the intricate dance of galaxies in the vast expanse of the universe.